Warfare has changed forever. In 2026, the bravest soldiers on the battlefield don't have a pulse. They don't feel fear, they don't get tired, and they don't miss. We have entered the era of autonomous combat, where decisions of life and death are made at the speed of light by an algorithm. It's not just robots on the ground, it's thousands of AI drones acting as a single mind, a swarm. They can bypass any defense, target any individual, and vanish before we even know they were there. In this new world, the side with the fastest processor wins the war. But what happens when we remove human mercy from the battlefield? When a machine makes a mistake, who is held responsible? As we build the perfect warriors, we are realizing that the biggest threat might not be the enemy, but the technology we created to fight them. Should robots be allowed to fight our wars? Type yes or no in the comments. The battlefield is evolving, and it's no longer human. Subscribe to AI Pulse to stay updated on the technology that's changing everything. See you in the next one.